Hi Delphine, welcome to the 2017 Chicago Symposium. Can you tell me your name and where you're from?
I am Delphine Priollaud and I live in France, near Paris.
Oh, wonderful. So can you tell me a little bit about what you typically like to teach in a workshop?
I like to teach the life. The life in the drawing. For me, it is the main subject. It's the most important thing because I don't want to draw only shapes.
Yes.
It's not important for me. I want to feel the city. I want to feel the vibes, the energy, and this is what I want to draw in my sketch.
So you like lots of action and people, that kind of thing?
Yes, action, people, colors, vibes, energy, rhythm, and I don't want to draw buildings or to draw the trees. No, it's not important for me. I just want to feel, to be invited by the rhythm of the city.
Okay, cool.
It's like maybe an abstract sketch at the beginning, and then it becomes more organized and it looks like a city, but at the beginning it's only my feeling.
Yeah, cool. Do you have some examples that you can show me?
Yes, for example, this is a sketch I made
beautiful.
in Naples, in Italy. I was very touched by this city because it's always in movement. It's a very sensitive city, and I love to draw in Naples. So I begin by splashing colors. For me, by splashing colors, I draw the shape of the noise, of the smell, of the rhythm, of energy. It is what is important for me, really.
Right.
And in a second time, I take water-soluble graphite pencil, and then I add the lines to organize my feeling. And finally, it becomes buildings and houses and people, but at the beginning it's just my heart of the drawing.
Just your heart on the drawing.
Yes.
And then it becomes more organized as you go along.
Yes, yes.
That's a beautiful drawing. It's really beautiful.
And this is in Naples and in Chicago. In Chicago, I was really impressed by the city, the huge buildings, skyscrapers, and the noise and the movement, and it was a big mess, and that was what I wanted to express in this sketch.
Okay, and so you're starting with the watercolor first,
yes,
and you're putting some line in later to try to organize it all.
Yes, exactly.
Wonderful.
At the beginning, really, it looks like nothing.
Yeah.
It's very strange, but step by step it becomes a city, and I like being surprised by my own sketch.
Wonderful. Do you have another example?
Yes, this is Georges Pompidou Center in Paris, and it was a rainy day. I didn't want to sketch, I was tired, but I began a sketch because I had to draw this place for a special event. And then I had a great pleasure to draw because many stories happened. A little girl arrived and wanted to draw with me, etc. It was a very, very nice story, and that's what I want to show in my drawing. It's story. It's only story. It's not shapes. It's not a nice drawing. It's only my story, and after that I want that people create their own story from my drawing.
Excellent. Beautiful. That is a beautiful drawing. It's wonderful to think that you're you're trying to interact with your environment around you, with the people, and capture that. That's more important than the actual shapes. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Delphine, for chatting with me.
Thank you very much.